Today I'm going to show you how to do the double spiral knot. This knot is easiest to see how it's done by using two different colors. So first, have two cords attached to your dowel using the lark's head knot, so you end up with 4 strands hanging. To do the first spiral knot, take the left cord over the 2 middle cords, take the right cord on top of the cord you just passed over, and now take that cord around the back of the 2 middle cords and then through the opening on the other side. And then pull that up to the top. Now take a single cord of the other color you're using, put it behind the 2 middle cords, and do the first knot of your first spiral knot. So take the left cord over the 2 middle cords, take the right cord over the cord you just brought over, around behind the 2 middle cords and through the opening on the other side. And now pull that up to the top. Now take the first color, for me it's gray, put it on top of those 2 white cords or your other color, and now do 1 knot of the spiral knot. Now, the second color, which for me is the white cord, pull it from behind. So the 2 cords are on the outside, pull these ones forward, and now do a spiral knot. Now let all the cords fall down and take the 2 gray cords again to the front, and now do 1 spiral knot. Now take those gray cords again, or your first color, put them back, and pull the white cords, or whatever color you're using, forward, and do that again. 1 spiral knot. And now just keep doing that process. I'm just going to assist it to twist a bit. And once you've done that, you're just going to keep doing the same thing. So bring the gray cords forward, do your spiral knot, drop those cords, and now the white cords are forward. I do find this knot a little bit tricky, so I highly recommend practicing with 2 colors first and then go on to 1 color. I really like the look of this with just the 1 color.